everyone. Today what I'm going to do is take a look at one of the sodas that I picked up. It's apparently Lester's Fixins brand bacon soda. Seems rather interesting. I'm not sure how well this is going to translate into a soda, but we'll go ahead and give it a try here. Color looks like it would be kind of like a root beer or something, but we'll see what it is. Okay. Oh, that is very bizarre. Smelling it, it had a strong whiff of bacon, but not normal bacon, like almost like dehydrated bacon, I want to say. Very familiar, but didn't smell like normal bacon, but. Oh my goodness. Okay. You have like the really hard, bacon bits is what it smells like. That's what it is, bacon bits. Because as much as it's described, the little chunky pieces that you have, they're like hard and crunchy, and like that taste when you have a bunch of those, and that's what it smells like. So yeah, it smells and tastes like bacon bits. Bacon bits are artificially flavored, so it kind of makes sense. Yeah, this is very weird. Oh my, oh wow. It's it's so bizarre to taste. I like bacon, and I've had bacon flavored stuff before, but this, I haven't had bacon bits in years, and this just tastes and smells like it, so it's really bizarre. So yeah, that's Lester's Fixins brand artificially flavored bacon soda. Again, this is another thing I got at the Minnesota's largest candy store in Jordan, Minnesota, and it's really bizarre to me. If you like bacon bits and that stuff, it tastes really good. I can't really say it tastes good. It tastes just bizarre. It's so shocking for me to have it. Like, I'm still trying to like process. Like, I could probably say it tastes interesting. It tastes pretty good. Not something I would have often. Like, it'd probably only be if I wanted to try to have this on a quote unquote regular basis, it would be like once every 3 months. But yeah. I encourage you to pick it up and try it because it's just interesting and it's very mind-boggling to me. So I hope other people give it a try and not be too afraid. But yeah, so long everybody. Enjoy your food.